So alright, we know dance and stuff, right?
Right.
You have early DJ, mid DJ, and later DJ, them, right?
Yes.
Say if I'm the DJ who come play the mid section, right? Me play my run, me have one next party for go. Where you tell me, say, me have to go stay at your party until they don't forget my money.
And that is why I always
hold on,
say DJ
Rasta
should
no-
not
hold on,
wait
no.
until the end of the night.
As what me say,
Pay. Forget pay.
if we agree, say, yo, this is the time when I do,
Yeah, you have your money
you
ready.
fi have my money ready.
Alright.
So, hold on, no. As me done play,
You get your money.
me get my money. Me no fear wait for your check off. Cause me tell you, say, yo, listen, don't depend on your party for paying because you see, anytime your party don't work out, you tell me say, oh,
Alright.
this and that go on. Listen, you see,
agree.
as a DJ, we go into agreement.
I agree.
We're going to, even if it's not on paper, we're go into a verbal contract. Say, yo, this is how we agree upon the play. Me now say you have some DJ, now have them fuck up dirty ways. I'm not saying
Then
that.
so why you arguing about it then?
Well, I
It's
know.
not an
Me now
argument,
say
it's
that.
just stating
But
facts.
me I talk about some common principle. A dancer we need to address. It's not about friendship because a promoter can book me and I don't know him from Adams. Where you say me for call the promoter and say, yo, me a circular tomorrow. No.
You're not
Dragon.
supposed to
I don't know
Yeah.
how the promoter is because tomorrow might come and I
Something
might
go
never
happen.
get our money.
Because
I might never get my money because you know.
promoter
Promoter
fly
feel
out
like
the
him knows
night.
and him pay this and him pay that.
I
And
agree.
when me look, him serious, the whole of the money spent off.
Yeah.
An idea. Me in a agreement. Me a pay for a dollar. When me done play, me get my dollar. Me not supposed to wait till dance done because I an idea. So you want to play and go me and go sleep because me have work at morning. And me just want to go in, go fuck my girl and chill. Me not stay dance all night. I wait my boy.
Dragon, hear me
After
say.
you're done.
Hear me say, yeah. All I will say, that's the problem. But if I got talk, I got hear
Yeah.
and ignore and dismiss, you do not have a conversation dialects, bro. Because all we just say,
Yeah.
I literally said, some DJ will wait,
Bumbo
some will
clad.
cut.
Stop running from me.
No, that's
Ease
exactly
up,
that's
ease up.
exactly what I'm saying. Some DJ will wait, some will cut. If a DJ play early, if I go somewhere else, same concept. Some will say, yo, I want my money from before and tell the promoter from before. Or some will say, yo, me circular. This is I said combat the relation. If you're a person who never worked with before, I'm gonna know you, I think you know mine. It's understandable you wait for your money. I didn't want the money.
Them shouldn't wait for them money, bro.
But let me show you, how it work. How it stay from then
Yeah.
till now. It happen where some man wait, some man get it straight away, and some man go away and say, yo, link me tomorrow, because I depend on the relation with someone. And, watch out.
Excuse me. Bless me. True word.
So, matter how you want do what you do,
Yeah.
and say what you say, every DJ have different relation with different promoter. Every promoter have different relation with different DJ. You see me? So, you are say what you say makes sense totally. I say it for run.
Yeah.
But some DJ do not have the same, because them just know, say, yo, I come
Him
at
get
some
booked.
bonfire, I get booked, I'm a dog that, work with him for years, I go on one next run on one part, boom, Sunday morning come him call everybody, them sending them money, and them good.
You made a
But-
valid point.
Well, on there,
Excuse me.
but is
You made
that the same thing when? Well, I know.
No,
Well, I know.
I'll remember. It's fine.
Is that not the same thing when a DJ come to a party promoter gate or an
Yeah.
artist come to the party promoter gate because they are affiliated with each other or they know each other? They can say, no man, you can circle me tomorrow. Because tomorrow we go out, me buy him to liquor, we drink off I same table. He might always take a little money.
Is it
You
the
know?
same? Is it
Oh,
the
that,
same
what?
concept?
Me just ask
No,
because
it's not the same
That's
concept.
reaching, bro.
well, it's not about reaching because you know people and
It's not
people
the same.
power
No,
and them
no,
go.
no.
All right. So because me know you, see,
You see?
you can say you
Yeah.
can circle me anytime, right?
I didn't say any time.
No.
I didn't
So
say
me
any time.
can come. All right.
I
You
didn't
have
say time.
all right. You have some people. You know dance all run, right? People come to dance gate, feel like they're entitled, right? They don't want to wait in line. They don't want to get searched. They just want to jump the queue like them pay VIP. Then don't want to pay come in at the party, right?
Yeah.
So boom, because I know you know, me and they every Tuesday with the radio, I come in a party and say, Buckler birds are the man. I can't turn up put in. See cool man, you style me. I bought up a security them and go on with be things out there so me not pay come in, right? Saying, you cuss me and say, yo, so you DJ them go on and drag and come out, they come go on be things, boys. At the end of the day, if the promoters, right, are not setting certain standard from the business aspect of things like, listen, we're doing business, we are doing it right. So when you come at my gate, remember you're a patron.
Yeah.
You-
You're
you're-
not booked for this.
You're
Yeah.
not a client, or we're not doing any form of
Bro,
transaction.
I said that from the start to the top of the conversation. I literally said that, bro.
So.
I
so-
literally said that. That match I tell you, you listen to me, but you dismiss me and say, then say back something, and then it make no sense. Because I said to you, if you're not booked for me event, you're a normal customer night. And my discretion say, yo, oh, Dragon man, him good
What
man.
do you mean?
You see me?
But
you don't matter what you want to say, bro. You don't know what you want to say.
Bread's made a point that I think it's quite relevant, especially since
Yeah.
we're not doing contracts. Dance on the contract. Well, not
V-
everybody.
verbal contract.
Verbal contract. I think people need to confirm it in text messages. WhatsApp is what people are using nowadays, or Instagram. If it is a case where you are not going to be paid, then you need for the DJ has the responsibility and the right to say to Breads, I want my money before I cut from the party. So that even though dancehall promoters don't
Nah, you
normally
say no.
have it ready, say yo, Dragon piece of food need for ready before him shoot out. And I think I still stand on it. This is what I've been saying for years. You know, for wait till party done for them for collect off a door, collect off a bar, collect off a table money for the people them to get pay. And again, repeating and echoing what you said, if you're not booked on the party, you're a patron. I think say that is giving support. Like, you know, beg for going and beg a bucket from a man. You know, beg a table. You go in, you pay your money, and you support. Cause vice versa, when you become the promoter, how does that look? How do you feel when you're in that situation?
I understand it is key, sir.
I
You
wanna-
have
no,
you have
no.
some form of leniency
Me have
to
something to say,
dance
yeah.
all on the birds.
Yeah.
You have a loads of leniency to dance. As I'm say, certain things based on relationship.
Yeah.
You have certain people where they're not going to pay coming to the party because you have some people where are entitled,
Yeah,
or
well,
some that
That's
feel like
everywhere in the world.
Hold on,
bro.
no.
no,
and
boils down to the relationship.
some feel like they're entitled, right? So it's like one and wash the other.
Mm-hmm.
So in a ideal world, you see what them say the support start from the gate
Yeah,
where movie star Johnny talk about.
yeah.
Yeah, it pretty and make dance look good. But you know, I'm not even a white people playing place in happen because
Exactly.
if you go to West End, right?
You have to pay for going. If
No.
no.
If you go to West End, hold on, no.
There's a
Rasta,
cost on the
let
door.
me finish. If you go to West End, so
Yeah.
or anywhere in London,
Yeah.
if they know me, I run the bar over there and whatever, we have a mutual agreement. Say, yo, we don't, a little gentleman agreement.
Yeah, yeah,
We not pay coming at each other. The staff them good.
Why?
Everybody forward in.
Staff.
Staff them good.
Coming at the establishment.
Yeah,
Yeah.
them forward in, and whatever. Everybody all right, Everybody do what them a do. So I see them like a thing. We have a little, we call it gentleman agreement in dancehall, right? In terms of DJs and promoter and whatever, because you know
Not with everybody do. Yeah, between.
the people them who familiar with each other, right?
Yeah.
So for instance, me say your birds give me 350, right? At end of the night, if you give me £300, me now go come on social media come this year. I'm now come class because I say you are £50 short, I nothing. Remember, promoter, what I say, 99.9% I promoter them do that on a daily basis, no matter how successful of the party. Because you know what them say? When them see all of our money and when them start pay out and them see it trickle down, them start saying, start save 150 this or 120 this or whatever. The full money never pay out we agree upon at the end of the day. And on the line, me I tell Birds, you know where you go.
I'm not
So
complaining,
it
I'm listening.
come like say, yo, when sometime when a DJ for the party, because him say, yo, me play for Birds last week, right?
Yeah.
Or last month. And by the time say, I want £300 and him give me 2 bills.
Yeah.
So basically,
No, with that, no.
so
with-
basically,
No,
you're,
no.
you're in debt because
no,
that money
no,
is
with-
never going to
no,
pay
no,
back,
no, with that, yeah.
It's never going to pay
No,
back
no, with
because
that, yeah,
hold on,
Jagan.
Birds, let me finish. Be truthful and be rightful.
But honestly, you're ready with that as well.
You see,
Hold
be
on,
truthful and be
Birds.
rightful. You see that £100, if you don't pay on the night, you should pay later on. And these are £150 where you carry on all the time. So if all of them money add up, you don't know how much you know what DJ.
All right, you hear this, yeah?
And you know some DJ are going to party, you know what you want promoter
Jagan.
as well.
I'm glad I said that.
I don't lie. Me have to do it two way, dog.
So you say, the dance keep whatever, and then keep the next dance now, yeah?
Yeah.
And you say, yo, Brett, I say, they owe me $1, you know. So my forward just 2 tickets to the table on a buckle. Me you don't know, say, it can't pass into the law. But because the fact that I owe you,
It's a principle of
it's a
it.
principle. You say, you're good, dog. It's logic, because I owe you. But watch it now, what I'm going to say to you now. In the ideal world, you book a DJ for 1 to 2 and then reach late,
Yeah.
start late and finish on the time when you play our next dance, yeah? Should I now pay you full money?
If him start late,
If you play at 1 o'clock,
yeah.
for some reason, I'm going to go down to the
Yeah.
3 o'clock. For
Yeah.
some reason, you reach 3:30.
Yeah.
and you play to 4, you got done at 4. Me even tell you, you know. You got done at 4 and cut, because you play to the time when you're done for our next dance. Yeah? However you want there. So you think that promoter pays your full money, see me?
No, I don't feel that way, no. I
You're not
strongly disagree.
I'm glad to say that. But some man say from him screw up him laptop and talk a phone with him money.
Because again, it boils down to the verbal agreement that you've had. You've given them time slots, because when you do your party, everything runs off a time. This man they played that time there, that the man they played that time there, that the man they played that time there. If you forward after the time frame that you're supposed to play, more than likely one next man a play in your time slot.
I'm save money now.
Well, I know.
And money me I save now.
Well, I
And
know.
the man that play longer I tell me say he want the extra.
Because
so
you have to pay him
yes,
for
and,
playing.
And the money me I
making
win
up.
now. And the things that money me I
So,
save.
Alright,
so
hold on then.
in truth and in fact, the DJ who has arrived late should not get his full money.
Should even
The
pay
promoter them all hate me now, you know.
He should get paid because he's performed
half
say-
an hour late.
half an hour late, fine, but he's forwarded and
But-
he has worked.
But
Yeah,
you
the
know
promoter
say-
them all hate me
You
now.
don't say the promoter. Hold on. You don't say if you're forward half an hour late, if you're hour set, at the promoter discretion now to say, yo,
I know.
if you play or not.
Yes.
I know.
Oh,
Yes,
And
that is
I'm
right.
glad say
that's-
that. But through the promoter,
Yes, that is right.
no fuck up like some him compare then man say, you're there, the dog. They think any of the people forward for area play anyway.
Yeah.
Because you're part of the promotion, you
Yeah.
see me? But
Go
so
ahead.
yes.
That is
Outside.
right. So let me look upon it from a patron point of view, right? So I'm a patron going to a party or this event. And then when I go to this event, it done prematurely. Like I go in there,
Police go
buy my
forward and
table,
lock it
police
off.
lock it off.
Yeah.
Wake up prematurely.
Yeah.
But just say go in there.
Premature,
your
me go in there
boy
by my
bar.
table.
What time?
It doesn't.
1 o'clock, whatever.
1 o'clock.
Hold
Well,
on.
1 o'clock. Go on.
So go to 1 o'clock because we know dancehall party don't start till like 2, 3 o'clock, right? You go in the police lock it off prematurely, right?
Yeah.
Should the promoter refund the people who pay coming to the party their money? If you just go in there, right, go in there and police lock it off because hold on, birds. Because you decide you want to hold your party at an unlicensed venue or something where something go wrong.
Which is 99%.
But
99% of the time,
Hold on,
should the people get back their money?
Look where
May I ask you?
Jagan shoot himself in
Oh.
the foot.
It's just a question.
He should
So-
have stopped at the first part.
Yeah.
No. Go ahead.
Firstly, this question to the promoter, I must say, yo, we can give back a thing or my next event is free. If you want to take
No,
it,
more about my money.
let me finish now. You want option, want to get money, we have a conversation. But it's we just at the end night, because the promoter keep on a licensed event and illegal, you bought an illegal ticket then. So everything we know that happen.
No,
Oh, it
but,
can be
but,
legal.
but,
Wait,
but
wait.
let
me finish
stick
though.
up, no, but
no,
stick
no.
up in.
No, let me finish. Jagan
Yeah,
finish.
no.
Jagan finish with.
Yeah.
No, but I show the concept where
Yeah.
you can't really demand. So you finish with, because the promoter go get a unlicensed event and know say police might lock it off. Same as how you know say that might happen too. So everybody take a risk.
But
Brits,
99%
Brits,
of
hold
dancehall
on.
party keep
Brits,
illegal
Brits,
venues.
Brits.
No,
Rasta,
no,
hold on, no.
him say about police lock it off. I think that about.
Brits,
The
hold on,
risk is
hold
there.
on. Let me ask you something.
The risk is
Shubs.com, Eventbrite, these are licensed and legal vendors to sell tickets at parties?
You can't put.
Hold on, let me ask you a question. I'm asking a question. Yes or no?
Me no know.
Yes or no?
Me no know.
These are licensed and legal ticket outlets for buy ticket, right? And loads of these dancehall party
Can't
that
go
keep
past shoes. No, it can't pass just
at
because can't go past shoes.
illegal
can.
venue. Yes,
No,
it can.
Inside of a book, a shop ticket, you have a venue.
Brits, hold on, no.
All upon Eventbrite, you can.
Them sham it. Event, all of them,
Even
right?
with whatever
See?
platform.
So-
Let's take it quick.
Them sham it, put it up there, I go, I buy my ticket legally because
you paid on the platform.
you can say VAT and whatever come out and
Played
blah
on the
blah blah.
platform,
See?
yeah.
You pay legally to go into a party. When I got a party, as I go in, you lock off for a party and keep. I feel like so the promoter is liable
Me never say no.
to give
See, that's what I tell you. Me
to
never
give
say no.
100% refund to somebody because listen, I pay for come to a party as me go in and pay go in, the party lock off.
No.
Police say he can't keep, or my go in, his sound not work or something happen, the party. And most of you promoter don't. When you keep whatever on the make and say, yo, we call it, we not try dig back the losses. If you understand
I
this.
can't last. Nobody in that party. You
Well,
know
I
lose
know.
already.
No.
If people in our
We
party
not
and
try
them-
dig
them-
back the
them-
losses.
them
And if you understand, say, yo, keeping a party is a risk, right? So in terms of certain money, you should have done put that aside already. Don't depend on your party if you pay certain people. Because me see a whole of a promoter do this, keep party, do this, when I have money for pay security, when you just do it by name,
Wing it.
right?
Yeah.
When you wing it, and if a party fuck up, tomorrow you can't come parade, you can't answer on the phone, Drinks man a call you know.
Consignment.
Security a call you.
Yeah.
DJ a call you. They una have to
360.
hide from everybody. Una don't wanna stop do it.
Picture man a
Because
call
I
you.
any idea dog, you know look good like we have to bring some form of business in a dance hall, bro. Cause you can't do it because remember I know me tell you so don't depend on your party to pay the people.
Next question.
No,
Ask for a DJ. So you see, so a DJ play a party.
Yeah.
And the patron them not happy with him playing them think him play shit. You think him get paid same with him job?
Yeah,
Of
because
course, he play.
he's
He
forwarded
play.
and he's played.
He
yeah.
played.
Because-
Because
Hold on,
if you go work
hold
and
on.
you're not the best at your
Let-
job,
you
you
get
get paid
fired.
same, you
But-
know.
But then
though.
again, it
You get
remind
fired.
it. re-
No, you don't book him back. You don't book him
Hold
back.
on.
and it
hold on.
reminds me of a statement, especially if it's a DJ where you expect say I go supposed to be playing top tier.
You hear
Hold
that-
on,
you hear that
bro.
topic, yeah?
It reminds me of a statement that All Star always make. A DJ is not always on his top forms. There's some days where he's gonna have off days now and then. Other days he's on his top
Yes,
form.
but
he has forwarded. Hold on, him forward. Him get the bookings. Him forward him time. Him play him hour. Him play him half an hour. Him play him 45 minutes. And him do the dirt.
All right,
Yeah.
Might not be to the standard or the expectation that you were hoping it to be, but he has forwarded and he has
The
executed.
reason I'm say that is
Yeah.
this it come back to the same lack of dance. The promoter doing best as him can be.
Yeah.
To make sure say a dance keep and they keep to the ability to keep you enjoy yourself. No one keep a party alpha risk you take for say yo, it's for lack of.
Yeah.
Shit happen. See
Yeah.
my call when they say at the top tier DJ and you play shit happen.
Yeah.
So when you have pressure, people get their money back. A man can say the same thing. Say,
But
yo,
I don't think that's a good comparison.
No,
though.
it's not comparison. It's everybody right.
Yeah.
You not provide a service where you promote say you are.
Yeah.
You promote under that. Like me promote a venue and say it can keep, I can keep, I say me grow the money back.
Yeah.
It's the same concept of you provide a venue, the customer them not pay, me not pay. You play, yeah. That's why I say so my time when I say things, but if I understand the logic of it. And every day you say man I get up on them top farm. And every day I promote a keep a dance in one of them venue there and it keeps successfully and done. I just say it go. Personally, if I go on party and it lack up prematurely, I have to buy drinks and I take a drink about business. Me not go, as a promoter, me not go say yo, it's like in purpose you lack off the party. Shit up, because I know the event when I go and buy a show from God. Me know the event when I go, where they say no venue, so everybody will go dance every week. Know all of the risk in place for all of that. So now like I say, as some person come from Timbuktu and to an event and go buy a ticket and say, me never know.
Right.
That different. Now me finish, bro. Cause you make it seem like I say, everything we do say, promoter this and that. And when I'm something about DJ, you gotta find something for try to count type, bro. It's the same thing. You're providing a service. If the service don't work, it comes down to the personal discussion. Enough people that say, you know what, dog, Jano, me vex certain keep, we see what go on. Sorry, people bad, we not got ready, and them cut. 1 and 2 people that still want the money back with you, me not gonna lie. I ain't going to say it. Because they don't get the service they want. So if you come and play, or they must have dragged that big bad DJ and him play shit and them say they want the money back from me too. But I go and pick up, I'm going to give them the money though. So I said no, them not happy. Customers not happy, they want the money back. Because them come for here, you fuck up the place. They didn't do that. But then again, they say, yo, and I say, go, you know, probably be sick. I'm going to find an excuse for you. I'm still going to pay you. So it's come back to the discussion of the person and the person I'm talk to.
All right. Me can't talk now.
No, bro.
Yeah, we're
Me-
gonna
me- me-
can-
hold on,
we
hold
can
on.
wrap up this topic
May I use 2 example, right?
shortly.
So, if I buy a ticket to go to a football game, I support Arsenal, right? Buy the ticket, go out to Emirates Stadium, right? Big match I play. Game not play good with team lose. Can I ask for a refund? Yes or no? Just yes or no?
Why not? You
Me,
know, you must get
me
it.
ask yes or no? Can I ask for a refund?
Well, will you? The question. I think the
Yes
question
or
might
no?
be: you can ask for the refund, but will you
Can
get
I-
a
will you
refund?
get a
watch it,
refund?
watch it.
If you
Can I
ask
answer
for
it?
Do you entitled for a refund?
Hold on, can I answer in 2 parts?
Yes or no? Me say
No,
yes
no,
or no.
it's a 2-part question. Answer.
If you answer the yes or no first.
No, I'm going to answer it.
Do you entitled to get a
I'm
refund?
going to say it.
Yes or no?
No, because the next part now,
Yeah.
just like me just say, you go to Arsenal, you have 3 options for them happen. Win, lose, or draw. Win, you're happy. Draw, okay. Lose, you're disappointed. A party, you buy a ticket, a chance the venue go rubbish, chance it might lock off. A 3 thing that again.
What chance is that?
There's a chance it lock off, a chance the venue go a one pop down place, and the venue not come out it. So 3 things you know before you approach the event. Just like a football match.
All right.
3 things you know, hold on.
The
3 things you
answer
know.
short.
Hold on,
The
no,
answer is-
no.
it's not a
no,
monogram.
no,
It's
the
a
point is,
question,
no,
make
no,
answer
no, no.
short.
The point of my challenge is say, no matter how much analogy
sure, make
you're
the
going to use
conversation
it,
flow. Thank you.
I put it back to dance hall, yeah, it's still a risk for everything. The person who get a ticket can always ask for it. The person, I forget the maximum too.
All right. Stop your song now. It's a
I know what
question.
you're
It's
trying
a
to
question, right? So,
Bro, stop talk, let's say promoters,
big man,
are this
relax
and
up.
that, bro.
It's a question. Me answer a question. Me never ask for a man along my boss. See?
It's a story.
So here one now. So basically, what you're trying to say is on the flyer, what a promoter promotes say, the party gonna keep from this time until this time. Because remember, most time, most flyer,
Still I come back to the same thing
most
again.
hold on,
Give us
most flyer promote the time when the party gonna start
starter
until when it's gonna finish.
yeah.
So if you finish prematurely, that means that you didn't held up your part of the agreement.
And I agreed with that.
All right, see, you agree with that, right?
But you didn't agree with when I said the
Hold on,
smile.
hold on, then. So we are talking about refund and all people entitled to get a refund. So let me use the next example. Mad one, you're a bus driver. If you're running from Highbury and Islington to Victoria, if you stop the bus 2 stops down the road, do the people entitled to get a refund
No.
or a ticket for continue them journey?
No.
Ticket.
I'm asking you.
Ticket.
No.
Depending
Either
on,
one.
Depending on what the situation is.
Either one. If the bus service decide to terminate, because remember you pay your money.
For an hour. Yeah,
W-
carry
you
on.
get-
Yeah. You carry on, but
But
all right.
back in the- no, no,
Hold on,
back in the
Brett.
day-
Brett,
Hold-
relax now.
hold on,
Relax,
hold
Brett.
on.
Relax now.
Ticket transfer. Ticket transfer.
That's what I'm
Ticket
saying.
transfer.
That's what I'm
Do
saying.
they still do the ticket
It's
transfer now?
it's an option. So either you can apply for a refund because hold on, no.
You won't get refund.
Brett, hold on, no. Brett, yes you can.
No.
Because all right,
No,
say
you won't.
I'm going to work,
Call
right?
refund, yeah.
Brett, hold on, no. Let me explain something to you. See, if I'm going to work,
Yes.
but if me forget a next replacement bus or whatever, I'm going to be late.
Mm-hmm.
Me take a next means of transportation. I can simply go on TFL website and apply for a refund because it's going to show us that service has been cancelled.
Yeah.
So they're obligated to carry me from point A to point B. It's just like if I buy a flight from Jamaica, come to England, but next thing you know, them left for Cuba. Do you entitled for a refund?
Yeah.
May I ask you? Yes or no?
Different destination that you're on your way to the.
All right.
Hold on.
If you come to England and something I'm to plane and it have land America and boy plane can, they entitled for a refund on a flight? Or them put you up in a hotel and be it. Me just ask you.
Them are-
Me just ask you
Let me talk
because
now.
I pay
Let me
for a
talk, bro.
service.
Let me talk, bro. Them not get a refund. Them not get some of your money back and a refund. If the flight cancel, come back to the same bus thing where you talk about, yeah? TFL. If you wake up one morning, you buy a monthly travel card. Wake up one morning, bus strike, things upon strike, everything upon strike. You have to go work. You take Uber go work. You ask TFL for a refund.
If what?
If you wake up one morning
Yeah.
Yeah.
and work in a city,
Yeah.
like one time, say everything upon strike.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yes, you can
Like,
ask for a refund. If you
where?
buy a if you
Wi-
if
if
you
it
if you
wasn't
buy a
a planned
Brett,
activity, you can.
even
Strike plan.
Brett, even if it's a planned strike and you
Have a
buy a
strike
season
plan.
pass,
You can.
hold on, if you buy a season pass,
Where you get back?
bad man, listen up.
For the
You're
time period where you're
entitled
not
for the
able to journey.
time period where you're not
Able to travel.
entitled for travel.
Yeah.
You can get your refund for that time back.
You definitely.
Alright,
there.
hold on,
So where you
hold on,
talk
hold on,
about?
hold on. You ever do that yet?
Yes.
Of course,
Where you apply for?
It's
forget
called- it's on a
them there
refund.
refund.
With the refund,
TFL.
All right. So if my boy say yo from Monday to Friday, from zone
You know what it is?
3 to 1. All right.
You know what
So
it is?
example, zone 3 to 1. I mean, say it's gonna be a planned strike, right? Me can't get to work them time there, whatever. See? Me can't apply for a refund because me pay for a service
So-
and it didn't go. So me I get back my money.
So zone 1 to 3 for going there, yeah?
Me I get my money, boy.
Underground alone strike. See, everything strike. I don't know.
It don't really
have to
matter.
fill out the
You,
form
have,
on
you
the
fill out the
TFL
form and you get back your money.
website.
TFL,
Alright.
TFL no
Yeah.
play.
Alright, hear me I
So
say.
come on, Brez.
Hear me I say.
You
But
lose.
even
You
the other,
lose this
even
one,
the
boy.
other day, hold
No.
on. The scenario was we tapped in. Obviously, you know you have to tap and the barriers open.
Yeah.
And when you go to the next station, you tap,
Tap out, yeah.
for, right? And them claims say the journey was incomplete and the charge was what it was.
Yeah, for the day.
And we appealed it.
Me just call and get my refund. Boom.
You get your but it's a similar
a
situation.
similar
Yeah,
situation.
but that's
Brez.
just a mistake. Say
It's
nothing
not
go
no
on.
mistake
It's not
because
a mistake.
I tapped
No,
out.
them I say a mistake. They make pan for them and say
No,
them a refund.
no.
you. And the station person can do
That's
it for
not
you too.
no.
Brez,
That's
Brez,
not what was
no.
All
said.
right, all right. Let me say something to you. Go back to
Yeah, what
the
you
topic,
talking
yeah.
about?
Bro, everything we do say, it done to the person discretion. Cause right now in a dance hall, the person want to give back.
And I want to make one more point when I
The
finish.
person want
And we're gonna wrap up the topic.
Yeah.
the
because
person
we-
want to give back, yeah.
bums to
Them
bums.
can't give back, and them not give back. Yeah. Some people, we have business mind. We say, you know what, I just all back your money are rare,
Yeah.
rare, tete. Some people don't do that.
And because me have a talk with the fellow DJs and you have to have a promoter.
No,
because
I'm talking for everybody,
When I-
bro.
when I- when I
and you
read-
am keep it as
Yeah,
DJ
yeah, yeah.
promoter for some reason.
it's not DJ and promoters, but some of the time we have to draw some line in the sand.
Yeah.
So I'm talking for my fellow DJs. And me can't talk about promoter, but like the same way if you understand.
Talk with DJ.
Yes,
talk
sir.
about promoter.
You say if a DJ don't play like how him normally play on the night,
Didn't provide the service.
should you get a refund? Let me answer a question.
Or should he get his full payment?
Should they get a full payment? Let me answer a question. Right? So, me go rent one car. See, me always see it and say, boy, that car a bad or wasi. Or, let me use the next example. Say, you go with this builder. You see all them work them with him do? Well, I know. You see all that work them with him do? See?
Yes.
You see all that work them with him do? Say, yo,
Mm-hmm.
bumbuckle work them neat as rascal, but you get for your work, yeah, right, but you know look like a rest, you know so neat. You,
No.
well, the job is done.
Job done.
His job is done.
You're not get paid.
Well, on the
You're
birds,
not getting
birds,
paid. But
birds,
guess what?
birds,
I was
birds.
gonna
Well,
use
on
that same thing.
let me
You're not
finish.
getting
Let me
paid.
finish now.
Nope.
A complete job is a complete job, right?
No.
Birds, birds,
No, that
birds,
not complete.
birds.
Birds,
Hold on,
hold
birds,
on,
hold on.
let him
Let me
answer
talk now.
question.
Let me talk now. You have standard, then you have excellent, then you have perfection, right? Birds, let me talk now. So seeing you have like the regular bar where you say this is a level where government look on you and say, yeah,
all right.
this is good. Then you have better.
Finish
Then
up
you have
what the
perfection.
answer,
Seeing? And you have this amount of perfection. So to them do like so and go standard.
Nope.
You can't go quote because
He's completed the job.
the job is complete.
Nope, foolish
There's
outside
no
this stuff.
flaws because if his electrician come to your yard and him do some wire boy you look chaka, but yet still
Nope.
everything is compliant with the laws and the regulation. Where you sue him, boy? You
Nope.
can't sue him.
Look, firstly,
Can you sue him?
with a bill and
Or you sue him and win?
Jagan. First with a bill, yeah. Him have a portfolio where him show you him standard of work.
Yeah,
Him level of work.
yeah,
When you and him
Big up
design
on the
what a
person.
design, yeah,
yeah.
and then him do something where he never him promise you forget. That is not complete. That is a total different job him do when me no want.
Promise if you will never get him do his same
No,
thing,
it doesn't
just
say.
like-
You, me, say me want a 4-story house.
Yeah.
Straight. Him build it lean. That's not what I wanted.
So that's not compliant. You talk about
no,
fucking up.
no. That's not completed. They didn't do the job I wanted.
Don't stray from what.
No. That's
It's
You-
not
you are talking bullshit
compliant. Compliant and done to the way how you want it to do. It's two different things.
Listen.
So remember the scenario that was provided. The electrician forward and him do the dirt.
Do the wiring,
Him
but
do
them
the
never
wiring,
meet like
it-
some other man that do it are regular standard.
So it's up to the government standard.
So once it passed the regulation, all right,
Bro, she wants talking, bro.
go ahead, Rasta.
It's up to the standard of the government. The government said this is how it should be to work. It can plug in. It now
Pass.
spark enough. It passed the checks, but the presentation of the wiring is not how it should be. So it just left chaka.
All right, watch
right?
this.
That's the scenario. Not
All
the
right,
matter of
all right,
fact
all
say
right.
it put in and it now
All right.
work already.
All right, watch this now. So if you go do a wiring for somebody, the wiring is good. But if it are sure, yeah, the
Yeah.
same government standard as the health and safety.
Yeah.
Any wiring you're doing in our building should not be exposed, regardless. Same not doing fucking job,
Man,
bro.
man, we're not.
No. I'm talking about exactly what you say.
It's not exposed wire.
It's not stand.
Chaka.
Oh yeah.
sir.
Oh me I know
Alright.
it's chaka if the
Birds,
back on wall.
hold on. All right, you see that wire there?
What?
Run for the fire
red
fire
one,
alarm
yeah.
system, right?
Yeah.
So you see it in a straight line.
Yeah. And the tack up and
Hold on.
everything. Yeah.
If it was curvy and zigzaggy, you still be compliant.
No, that's dumb with this.
Hold on.
The
Well, I know-
presentation.
Birds. Hold
No,
on.
no, stop.
Birds, That's what I'm saying. No.
Jagan.
Chill. That's what
You
I'm
do it
saying.
last night this week.
No.
Stop.
If
No.
it is chaka, I want to say a while ago.
If the
it is
wire,
chaka.
if the wire is still like curve and so,
Yeah.
him can't say that's a chaka. That's a chaka. Everybody know that means.
It will be compliant.
Jagan, do not do that, bro.
It will be
No,
that's
it's not.
chaka.
No, it's not
Because
chaka.
all right.
No, it's not.
Let me answer a question.
It's not.
If a bricklayer,
Hold on.
What's the word chaka, Jagan?
chaka,
Yeah.
something
It's
that's not neat,
presentable and neat.
something that's
So
not neat.
if him do it so, and go so, underneath,
It
it
chaka,
just do-
chaka.
No, chaka, wait, thing.
You know neat.
Chaka,
Hold
chaka.
on.
Don't do that, bro.
Let's use the same example. Ladies and gentlemen that are on the
Is that what I
live.
tell you?
Una na
If-
see it. All I know, una na see what we're talking about. So the fire alarm
Boy,
system,
birds are fine,
is
lose
it smoke
me back,
detector?
Bro, I be
It
a
has
foolish
it has
bro.
two wires running from it. And the example that is being used is it's straight and it tack. But
Very straight.
it's very straight and it tack up and it neat and it nice.
Yeah.
But if it was the case where it never
Straight.
straight or it wasn't tacked, it plug in and it a work, but it hang down or it cut up on the.
Double hang down because hang down wouldn't be compliant.
Hold
So
on
I'm
now,
just
girl.
saying if it was zigzag
Like all over the place.
Yeah, like it
and
was
taco?
no, it wasn't in a straight line. It wasn't running a straight line. You could have said a zig and a zag there. That would still be compliant
Yeah.
in the
But
eyes of the law.
presentation.
But the presentation would be chaka chaka.
I think we're going off
But
topic.
I,
as well.
but I agree to say that's not chaka chaka.
But-
So, yeah, talk for
1 minute.
Alright,
1 minute.
remember-
We're
remember
wrapping
ask-
up
remember
this.
ask you
We're
this,
wrapping up this topic.
Yeah? You gotta tell me, said this and that and come up. But when somebody get booked,
No
to-
money back case.
when somebody get booked for do I'll work where you talk about
Yeah.
it, for build your house.
Mm.
You have a way you want your house built, where you pay for.
Uh-huh.
Now man can't build a house and left out a room and say, sure, it can still go on. That's not complete, bro. If I want 10 brick in my house, you put 10. You can't put 9.5 and say a half gone.
The missing
It not
room
come-
doesn't tie in with the
No,
scenario of
no,
the
what I'm
DJ
saying- no,
coming and
no,
playing,
no,
but
what-
not playing his
no,
best. It's a
what I'm
different
saying this, yeah.
scenario.
You ask for a top tier person, can you give me top tier price?
Yes.
You can't drop no catch for me. None.
But then,
None.
but
End
then,
that story.
So Ambirds, look at
None.
this.
None.
All right.
last
None.
minute.
No look at nothing, bro.
Example.
All-Star last
Example.
minute. Bread last minute.
Example,
please.
right? They pay the premium prices, a loads of time for
Mm-hmm.
the Jamaican DJ. Enough time was to come here. And the England DJ juggle them. So what you try to tell me?
Them to go back for the money if they want. You miss what I'm trying to say
just
to you,
ask
bro.
you.
You literally, for
All
the
right,
whole
hold
night
on,
we
hold
are
on.
talking, you
Brits,
come back
Brits,
with the
let me
same
talk,
thing.
my
I've
boss, let me
answered
talk
it
now.
already, bro.
Let me
I've answered
speak.
it by different time.
Can I speak?
Alright, which premium DJ let them juggle?
30
Lord
seconds.
mouth, don't frighten me.
Bro,
Hold on now. Let me talk now, my boy.
Bread, 30 seconds.
Let me talk. So them go for
30
the go for what you call it, the big guns them at Jamaica, right?
Who that?
I'm just saying. We see it come. Me not call nobody name,
Yeah,
but we see them come here all the time, and
Yeah.
some of the time them come here them flop,
yeah.
right? Them flop like dog shit. The England DJ them juggle way better than them,
Mm-hmm.
right? So what you say? The promoter shouldn't pay them.
Bro.
Brett,
Yes, sir.
Literally
alright,
said
hold on,
that.
hold-
I
Brett.
literally said
Alright,
that
alright,
whole
alright.
conversation,
Brett,
bro.
hold on, now,
For the,
hold on.
for
now.
the, se- for the
Me
sake
see
of-
you.
No, I'm not.
Hold on.
No,
You want me call name? You want me call name?
Dragon and breads.
They want call.
Dragon
Alright.
and breads.
Me see you go for Lincoln Tree, that right?
Yeah.
Seeing Brooker your party.
Mm.
Him never perform the best side night. It's never him go on the best. But him get the best money. Why you never pay? Why you never say Lincoln me not pay you?
They should pay.
Me just ask you.
They should
Why you
pay.
never say Lincoln me
Cause
not
you
pay?
tell
You
we
bum
say you
buck
pay
lad.
him.
Yeah.
Why you never say Lincoln me
should
not
pay.
pay you?
Cause you tell
Me
you
just
tell we
ask.
say you pay him.
Why you never say Lincoln me not pay you?
You say me perform best
Eh?
tonight. You.
Him not perform the best.
For you. Nobody no
Then me
complain
not
to
have my glasses.
Alright,
Me don't have my
alright,
glass too.
Firstly, you say that. Nobody no complain to me about that.
Okay.
Where are the people and where PA
Yeah.
to come in? Never said that.
I beg
No,
for come
no,
in.
no,
Me bum
no.
buck lad.
See, you beg for- no, no.
Emphasis for the people.
No, but that's the point though. Me answer you.
Yeah.
You
I
say
beg,
that.
beg, come in, my
you
boy.
say that. You say that no.
Uh-huh.
After how much years gone no. No one that came there will come to see him.
Yeah.
Them fought for where them fought for and them
But
happy
they
and
might
go
not
on.
have told you.
But if they may tell me I don't know.
Yeah, but
So me
that
can't-
doesn't mean
Same
that
thing go for the
that's
DJ
the
then.
No.
case.
But this is the point I'm trying to say. If you
Yeah.
not tell me something wrong,
Okay.
there's nothing wrong. And I said yeah.
Oh.
And I said yeah.
That's not a good
No.
thinking.
And I said yeah. The,
Wow.
the DJ them, if the people them complain
Yeah.
and me complain,
Yeah.
I'm telling you. If me not tell you nothing and them not say nothing,
Yeah.
me as a promoter say,
We not talk about tell we talk about
Let
don't
me
pay
finish.
them.
We got
in order
15 seconds.
in order for me to pay for your play, that means that the person will complain. With the big DJ when you talk here, I literally said to you, if you book premium price, premium quality, make it premium price.
But what if you don't get the premium performance?
And-
That's the
and
thing.
I said,
do you still pay them
if
full
I
price?
think it's not,
Yeah.
if I
Yes.
think it's not the quality where me the expect,
Yeah.
me know what nobody else, yeah.
Not the patrons, not the other DJs.
If them
on the
complain,
bill.
make it 10 times easier for me.
Okay.
But if me feel say you fuck up the situation,
Yeah.
me I make you know.
No.
No,
Hold
me I
on,
make
wait.
it.
You're
Me I
going,
make it. I mean I pay the whole like yes, facts.
so you're now answering the question. So you're going to let them know and not pay them their full price.
Yeah, can you give me a premium price, I want premium service.
It's on record. So if this does happen in the
Bro,
future,
you think
no,
I
no,
care?
no, bro. And a dragon yadi with. Let's just say this is on record. So when it does happen, we're pulling this up and we're showing it to you.
We can't deal with
Listen,
that reason because
listen, I know-
Well,
Why change it?
Relax, sir.
Dragon, the whole
Relax,
no,
relax,
stop,
relax.
stop,
Stop.
the
Yeah,
whole
yeah,
no, the
yeah,
whole
chat
night.
whole night, you
No,
know
no,
that.
no, 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 stop.
Dragon,
Yeah,
The
chat
whole
whole
night,
night.
the whole night,
Dragon
the whole
and breads.
well,
We're wrapping up.
At one point,
Wrapping
the whole
up.
night we're there, talk,
Yeah.
yeah, and everything I try to fall back with there, I either said it before you say it,
Yeah.
and you come back with a different conversation, bro. I said if you order a premium package, you deserve premium service. If you would feel say the person that get that service there, You have all right for that. Pay them or pay them less than what they offered because them provide with them promote. And it end the story like that. You come with a different terminology and me I thought the same thing again. So it don't make a difference what you say.
All right.
It doesn't.
Calm.
And a she, no go pan. No go pan the
Tranquilo.
original chain.
Tranquilo.
I can't understand that right now.
Calm your blood clot down.
No,
Well,
why?
Hold on there. You see what I say now? You said two things. Everything you say me say. Remember where they on record. Don't tell
Bro,
lie.
it's true. We can't watch this.
Hold on now.
Bro,
My
listen,
boy. Hold on
Even
now.
last week you do it, bro.
Chill no dog. Every
Reds.
week you jump on what me I
You
say.
not jump on nothing in that.
Hold on, my boss. Relax now. So, basically, you was talking strong a while ago about not paying DJs if they do, what you call it?
mediocre
A
performance.
mediocre performance. So, here what you do. You try that blood clot next time you and somebody in contract, when them say, you have to pay them X amount, and see if them not sue you.
You know what you
Me,
feel.
me, me I bet you.
Not within
You
dancehall.
cannot, bro.
Me I bet you.
Voilà, if
Not
me,
within
if
dancehall.
me,
Or
somebody that bust up your head.
Watch it out. No.
You not give them
no,
their money.
No, no.
The
no.
latter part.
You
No.
not
not-
dance all,
no.
you probably
You
get
see,
a bus there
not
thumping a
suit-
face.
not
I'm
suit.
just saying.
So, me not Anto.
Me don't know. Me not say you not hand.
Alright, stop this.
Then
now.
can bust off
Bro,
here, then
this-
can bust off
this
here
is the
med back.
problem,
Me just
yeah.
say what happen.
This is the problem, man.
Him now.
This is the see, you just start talk. This is the problem, man. Yeah, all you can see, man, is the enter we talk about DJ for counter
Yeah.
the conversation, the whatever, yeah, bro. Everybody do fuckery, yeah. I'm out.
You know me and a DJ.
From we are
Me and us dragon.
bro. From we are talk, yeah. Me I say, yo,
2 seconds, bro.
if you don't provide the service for the person entitled to get them refund, yeah,
Yeah.
and to anyway just say, yeah, either a busted or a court case, yeah. If you got a court with a
I'm
man,
gonna go to court. It's dancehall.
no.
Got court with this man.
Leave
What you
that
say?
aside. If you got a court with somebody, yeah,
Uh-huh.
if your service never provided, yeah,
Yes.
and the person can prove, say you need to provide the service for them to get, or you gonna sue them for what? You didn't provide what them pay for.
All right.
End the story.
All right.
May I say, make
Hold
sure I'm
on.
having a contract.
Hold on.
2
Hold
seconds,
on.
bro. We're wrap up.
Oh, the blood clot you carry this guy court
Oh, no,
in
no, no,
England. Hold on.
contract.
Are you say you bring
No.
a court?
My boy,
And
hold
then
on.
what
Hold on. You just say a while ago, you can't carry a court for your service not provided good. So, how you carry a court in England and say, boy, judge, one white man with the curly ear, them and say, he name play good at my party. What proof you have? What proof you gonna...
You should just said.
My
I-
boy,
wait,
hold
Wait,
on,
no, wait. I literally
me
just
turn
said
up.
that.
He did.
I
make the
literally
point.
said
Let me
that.
ask you.
He made
I
the point.
literally
done.
said that.
No, but
He
but
keep
answered
on buckler
your
cut me
question.
off.
But I said
But
that
he
already,
answered
bro.
your
Keep cut me off. Wanna keep cut me off.
I literally just said that.
Stop it chatting on that and finish.
2
What
seconds.
proof you gonna bring to court?
He's gonna play the footage.
Bro, I literally just
hold
said
on,
that.
That's the
I
proof.
literally
You play the
just said
footage
that.
at the party to people who don't understand dancehall.
Yeah,
And
but,
how to work out.
It doesn't matter. The proof.
You're
is there.
assuming now.
The
Huh?
proof is
You're assuming.
there.
All right, watch out. Let me show you now. So you play one party.
The proof
Yeah.
is there.
Well, you play one party at 1,000 people.
Yeah.
And it was crazy. People are flying
Yeah.
for the ceiling and this and that. And
Yeah.
me book you because of that.
Not Judge Rinda.
And you
sorry.
fought come play at my party now, yeah?
Can't use Judge Rinda around here.
And everybody complain. Everybody that's quite a watch this and they see the video. So I said, Judge, I book him for do that service here at my party. See my party here. Even I understand what them I say,
Can
the
say the
action
difference.
alone no say the energy is different, bro. And if people,
Harder.
if people, don't do that, bro.
Harder.
If people go up on shoes, and ask you a refund, say, them the ready, or somebody message your phone, I keep on a message you, and I DM you, and I
This
say,
is
yo,
a dunce reasoning.
for you,
Nah, done for now, just
for
Jim.
you.
Yeah, all
because
right then.
I said exactly what I said.
Wrap up, Bredzo.
What you have done, son? What you have
no,
done?
no.
Remember, people have free will. Can you control people and tell them to jump off a building? So if I go to a party and
But because of what you do.
my boss, hold on, Berts, hold on,
Jesus
Berts,
Christ, bro.
Berts,
You
Berts.
still a try come with something to try
Calm
angle
your
and win.
bumbuckler down
It's not
now.
winning, bro. I said everything.
Calm down. So I went to many party before. DJ them bad, DJ them a play good, but the tension in the party is high. Something does not right. No vibes can't hold. Right? And sometimes you have some party like that. You can't control people. Something just don't right about the party some of the time. Right? People just don't enjoy themselves. Sometimes it can be because of violence, it can be because of venue, it can be because of atmosphere. Right? DJ a play good, him a do anything do. The crowd now boss. How you can say, do the DJ control the people?
Yes.
Can, hold on, no?
Yes.
How the blood clot?
Yes. Yes.
So when I got a party, a DJ control you.
I need to control the crowd.
So you're not a crowd DJ, no
Yeah, that's
control me,
facts.
my boy.
But that's facts though. You see, as much as I show you, much I angle it now.
DJ, no control
When you
me.
was just him realize
Brenton
what I say, yeah?
Dragon.
Bro, if you don't want party, yeah, Mad wanna play shit. Rasta play shit. You will say a premium.
Never, sir.
Well,
Never.
You are premium
But like, the
DJ.
song them was some DJ play.
Never.
Well, you say a premium DJ, yeah? I may pay premium money.
Yeah.
Them are the so-called regular. You to the regular, yeah?
Yeah.
No.
And now do good, yeah? And you follow your pouch or your laptop and
Uh-huh.
you got something. No, I go on that part because I bought my premium. At this time 1 year.
Try to lil up my DJ.
So you see the
thing.
crowd go so.
Guarantee.
I say, look, I'm gonna play and the crowd swing. As a promoter, I say, that me I book you for. So if my dance at the same settings and you father do that,
Yeah.
Let me tell you
that
this,
means
boy.
say you don't provide the service I want.
All right,
Brez,
then. Ladies
hold on
and
there, hold on.
gentlemen, we're
Brez,
going to
Brez,
clap.
Bro, let me tell you this, though.
On the
You
clap
see-
in the comments
You know
and tell the
what?
man
You know
to
what? You know
forward
what?
though.
You know
Calm
what?
down, man.
Brez,
Calm down.
Yo, let's be honest.
Brez.
Go on with that.
Brett, hold on there. You see what I say now? Let's be honest. If your guy party, you're not drink enough, you're not going to feel the vibe, dog.
My God.
You see, if you not drink enough, you're not going to feel the vibe.
All right, then.
See?
So,
And you can't vape in the studio.
And some of the time, the music is shit, but you just a drink and you're bra.
Yeah, bruh. For you there
And
with
you don't give a fuck what go on.
Right.
See?
Cool.
So I'm just saying,
Yes.
at the end of the day, don't blame the DJ them for
Yes.
the downfall.
because DJ kills them are the most important thing in the dance hall. So you for forward on a master ceremony, so uno for lead the
What my
crowd.
people come and dance hall? Let me ask you.
People come and dance and stay for listen to DJ.
What people come and dance hall for do?
Party. And who play the music?
All right.
Who play the music?
So what's the most important? You say what's the most vital piece in dance hall then? If I let them come for do.
Watch it now.
And you say people
Watch
DJ
it. Stop,
feel like
stop,
them
No,
are God.
guys.
Hold on, me
Wait,
ask
wait,
you.
wait, wait.
Honestly.
I literally said,
Last 2
Yeah,
seconds.
I literally said, yeah,
2
a
seconds.
DJ and master is serving to lead the crowd. And him say, him can't nobody move. If you're the most vital part of the dance hall, yeah, in the party, yeah, if you're fucking up, you're not doing your job. So when you try to tell me, say, yeah, this is how this backfire upon the whole and know. If you say, uno, this and that and this and that, yeah. So when you play fuckery, uno take the L too. Simple as that.
All right,
Uno make people forward, uno make them stay.
Thank you.
End of
Brett.
story.
gotta work.
Dragon.
Like,
Dragon.
gotta work Monday to
Dragon.
Friday. Hold on now. Example.
Now, I win the
See?
one.
Nah, don't feel
Watch
no
ya.
way.
Yeah, go on.
Is it on Wednesday?
All right.
I left over here, so
Me
I
at
gotta
home.
work all
Yeah,
tomorrow in the Penkeling.
yeah.
You know, work now go on good. But yet, still at end of the month, me still get my pay.
And why you stay?
I'm just saying to you.
And why you stay?
Huh?
Why you stay?
No, because like, watch you Brett.
Why you stay?
Brett,
Why did you stay?
my normal bar is up here.
That's the question.
On an everyday
Why
level.
did you stay?
On an everyday level, my normal bar is here. But you see, on Wednesday,
Dragon.
it kind of dip a bit.
Dragon.
Yeah.
Dragon.
But anyway, we need to
Dragon.
wrap up.
You
Time.
still get paid though.
Yeah.
If you keep on, they get fired though. If you keep on, you have a standard.
Then
though.
don't book the DJ that's firing.
Answer the question.
Yes.
If you keep on, you standard, get fired though.
Then don't book the one that we
And
do
yes
it.
or no?
Yes.
You know why? Because the person hire you for your high quality job. If
Yes.
you keep on flap, them not gonna keep it there.
So, Brett.
Them gonna
All right.
find
All
somebody
right.
else.
If you book somebody else,
Bread
if
and
you
Dragon.
book a DJ,
Brett
right?
and Dragon.
If you book a DJ and them come in your party and not go on good, you book him again,
For what?
you fire him. All right.
At the end, them, me don't want to give him nothing, no.
The power is
Guys.
in your hand, but you have to pay him because you
Alright.
have an agreement.
No,
Brett, no.
if
So,
me-
I'm
if me
sorry.
say
I'm
as a
sorry.
premium-
Breads. We're gonna have to stop the conversation here this evening. We're way over time. Ladies
Yeah,
and
Jamaica
gentlemen,
Academy.
these two can keep the studio's conversation running for the rest of the night. But studio and
Check into Up and Live Extra.
CEO of the TGM Radio UK, them just tell us, say, yo, we have to forward out our studio. So big up on yourself, those who are on the live on the TGM Radio UK's
Yeah.
app, as well as the TGM Radio UK's TikTok page and our Facebook page. Thank you for joining us this evening. Thank you for interacting with us. As per usual, remember, this is what we do every Tuesday between 9 and 11. We're here every single week, and we're sponsored by the Granaries, located
Providing
at 6
high
over.
quality entertainment. And that drop, or just not follow it. It not drop though.
It's sponsored by the Granaries,
Premium.
located at 6 Overton's Yard in Croydon. Make sure that you check out their Instagram page so that you can be aware of all the events. We did want to go through some events without the time. This Thursday, Queen Lady Gangsta is at Tipsy Thursday, so make sure say if you're in the north side of things, go over there.
Can the
So
word cancel it? Name or say name?
Massacre is in the UK this weekend. Craft is in the UK. Malidon is in the UK.
I'll be there.
Bread say magadede.
on Friday.
So if they come and perform good enough to get the money.
I free me ticket, I can't complain.
One party we definitely have to plug is DJ Rick's birthday party happening on the 28th of June. Make sure to get the
50th,
tickets
you
for
know.
that. Remember, it's his 55th birthday party.
Wow.
So make sure to go over that.
Yeah.
19th of July, After Dark and the team, they're having their... Hold on. Oh, wait, I lost it. Wait. They're having their Under the Influence. It's going to be at the Hatch Club, so make sure to get in the
And
tickets.
I
this-
remember
and
saying
this-
I
and this
not pay for
Hold
come
on,
in.
hold on.
When I pay for go
And
there,
this
so.
Sunday
Yeah,
is-
so I mean, I support start. I get fucked with in
and
my
this Sunday-
yeah.
And this Sunday is Prada Day Brunch.
Day brunch for Prada.
Posh venue, uptown
man.
venue. You
What?
see me?
So you can't get two tickets because support the start. I get for me, me have one lick of money. Remember,
Anyway.
some like money have to stretch.
Anyway.
No, you have to support the door. We have to follow the
Anyway.
Musa
Huh?
Journey. We have to follow Musa Journey. We have to support.
So Prada dance, you have support to do.
Yeah.
And
So what
one,
about the rest of people them?
one
No,
more
no, no.
You
event,
see me, I tell you say, oh yes, stay. Because
guys.
oh no, licky.
Guys, and one
I
more.
said support the door. What the fuck?
One more event that we definitely have to plug. Two more events. Dance All Delight happening on the 29th of this month, as well as August 17th. We're heading up to Sheffield, so make sure to get the information. DJs versus promoters moved to the 4th of August.
Yeah.
12th of July, Forever Sasha Utopia's birthday party. Utopia's party.
Also remember over Tottenham, Swift.
Yeah,
DJ
Swift
restaurant,
Caribbean Delight every
over
Friday,
them
every
mad.
Saturday.
Like yo, man, I go over there weekend. Like
The vibes is nice.
people vibes over there,
Support the door.
Come on out.
13th
Eh?
and 14th, we're heading to
I work
Manchester.
my boy.
13th and 14th, we're heading to Manchester for this year's Drink and Rave. It's a family fun day, fair day party. And
Yeah,
link
then
up,
in that
link
night,
up.
braffing.
It's
Big braff.
braffins.
Big braff.
Celebrity Ravens day party vibes on
Yeah.
the 13th of July as well. Terror Kid is not Terror Kid, it's King Terror.
King
because
Terror.
he's all grown up. His birthday
yeah.
party, 20th of July. And obviously, we have to shout out Shape on Heels, Traystar Promotions. Bishop Escobar will be the special guest. Rum Invasion, August 24th. Big up to Richie Mundo, guys. Wally party today. Granaries every weekend, starting from Thursdays.
Home
Thursdays
office.
we go Soul Lounge, and then Friday we the home office. So big up on yourself. Thank you for joining us, Dragon on Stars.
People, you know what thing don't follow birds, Don't follow nothing what birds say.
Don't drop an inch of high quality. Keep
Don't follow nothing what birds say. Seeing people, Dragon preach love. Seeing, I'm say love a brother, love a sister. Let love rule in everything you do. Now drink one Dragon, man, ladies. Cause them say brain power is the main one. You know.
You see,
Yeah.
you see that there, sir? That's a high quality. Never drop get camera. Wait for you fuck up. You know.
People, you want
Big
go
up
on.
on yourself, people.
Big up on yourself. You know, look come over from this and probably get the uncut. You know, cause we have people business to talk. Look come over. So
Wow.
shh, make it stay. Look come
We
over.
should actually do that, you know.
No, you probably get to an uncut, on the journey home. Cause remember when I done cuss,
Yeah, Luna Coast.
you know.
Anyway, see you guys next week. Take
Yeah.
care of
Alright,
yourself.
see ya, people.
Blessings.
All right, look come over.
Bye.